tissue?
Na tissue dala sa ilang po kinanglan ka.
You need tissue?
Sakto ba?
Sidahan lagi tayo nakamata na to. Ang panahon.
Yeah. Ay. So gahapon mainit. Ngayon hindi na. Lamig na.
Tagalog.
Where are we going? Which way? Okay,
Gym. It's raining.
Ay nako. May kape.
Pwede na pala tagkape dito dool. Pwede ba na ilan?
Na kami dun guys. Kape tayo. Wala pa kaming kape. Let's have coffee. Let's go. Uy.
Car. Grabe ka struggle ang parking kanina. Tungod kay mga bata.
Yeah.
Sige, mag-time.
Mommy.
Yes.
Now we don't have a midnight feast, but we
Midnight
can watch
feast,
the
okay.
grown-ups first.
Sorry.
What?
We don't have a midnight feast tonight. We are not gonna watch the grown-ups movie.
I'm not gonna
don't-
watch a grown-ups movie.
You don't have to.
Yeah, me and your mommy, we're gonna watch it and you don't have to watch.
That's a kids movie.
Tapos punta tayong Panaderia. Ay, ano oras na? 11 na. Wala pa kaming kape. Late kami nagising guys. Ginising kami ni Dan. Hindi nag-alarm yung phone ko.
Ako wala.
Wala kang alarm?
Hindi ako nag-set ng alarm.
Yeah.
Good sleep.
Sabi ni Dan, huy, nung una pa, inano pa ako. Sabi niya, alas 10 na. Alas 10 yung ano ni Ayla.
Tinakpo siya sa aming door. I knew it was Dan because it was very loud. Bong,
Oh, yeah?
bong, bong. Ayla! Si Ayla di mo mata.
Magic ready, eh?
Magic ready.
Yeah. This one here?
Hindi, nanti sa right side. Nay, coffee ah. The coffee.
Where?
Nay, parking ano.
Resort?
Coffee shop.
Oh, yeah.
There. Tara, kita na lang. Hindi ka. This one.
Ay, nako, sa dinami-dami ng araw ngayon pa close. Close, guys, ang coffee shop. Ano ba yan? Where can we have coffee?
Nay, usa, Shelly, closes soon, 12 p.m. Okay pa. Street Cafe, 450
Nasa man?
meters. Ano pa ano mo kuno niya? Sa directions na car. 2 minutes na daw.
Asan pa daw dito, boss?
Mabito sa ubos.
Sige.
Dito sa ubos. 1 minute na gede eh.
Iyon lang
Mommy, how many minutes to our house? I want to get melty right now.
Tiara, you have to wait. Sing close na po mga.
Daray, take away coffee. Ikaw na lang ako.
Ansay mo ha? Latte.
Yeah, latte.
Isa-usa nga gatas?
Sikon sara, yeah.
Latte niya. Saka sweetener?
Yes, please. Thank you. Punta kami panaderia after nito, guys. Tingnan lang natin kung anong meron sila dun. Mayroon nga bakery cafe dun. Nagkasunod-sunod na. Mayroon din pala dun.
Mommy,
Yeah.
are we done with it melty?
I said after. We're on our way home. There's no milk tea around here. You want cocoa, yeah? Yeah, so we gotta wait.
You said when we see melty, I told you it's not in a cafe.
Yeah, it's not in a cafe, but we have to get coffee for me. Ay, nako. And you know what? The weather is really bad. Like, umuulan na naman ngayon. Kahapon, mainit na malamig na hindi natin maintindihan. Kaya hindi tayo gumagaling-galing. Naulan na naman ako kanina. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Kaya pa ba natin ito? Gumawa ako ng juice eh. Meron akong ano doon. Meron ako nakastock doon. Nakalamansi honey juice. Masarap actually. So yung iniinom-inom ko kagabi. Ano sabi ko po? Thank you.
Tilawi daw.
Asa mo na ko ano ka niya? Kaya niya. Init sana.
Hinit kayo.
Ang sama ni mo?
Cappuccino. Isog sa ginawa ni mga sa anak ko sa ito.
Okay.
Isog sa ginawa na dito. Nag-inom ha. Kakaya ra, may no? Okay ra. Gusto ka sweetener? Ako may ano eh. Ako 2 sugars.
Mas tamis man na sweetener. Ang sama na ito patag kuan. Yeah.
Ikaw, naara ni mo te.
Kaya mo rin gauwan na yun.
Pwede na mo uli niya magkuan ta, mag...
Uli na lang ta.
Pwede ta mo kaon.
Palitan ta ng milk tea. Let's go to milk tea now.
Oh my God. You're
so
so lucky, ate.
Do you want to go get milk tea now? Or go to another shop?
Melty.
Okay, I'll go
You
milk
were
tea.
so lucky when we were young. We didn't get milk tea at all. No milk tea for us.
Nothing for us. You know what? Lola will not get us milk tea at all.
At all.
You lucky.
You're so lucky with your mommy.
Let's go.
What do you say? Thank you. What? Thank you. You know, not all kids can afford milk tea. It's so expensive. You know, it's $10. You're lucky your mommy's rich.
Uy. Am I rich? 19 minutes.
Daddy has $50.
Not all.
Atuon ta niya?
Oh, your dad is rich?
Okay.
Uy. Baka man ang intersection dito niya pagion. Oh, dito niya pagion sa intersection. Tara may intersection. Nagtudyo ka. Kuan sila ti mga Italian.
Oh, that's good.
Yung mga buutan. Ang ilahang worker ba nga 12 po unta mo human. Pauli na nila sa iyo. So you can go home now. You don't have to wait for 12. 18 minutes.
Unya, ang atbang sa Shelly Kuan Cafe na asay cafe.
Ama ba?
Ay gamay po nga.
Hindi sige sila dito.
Yeah.
Nagkato siya gamay na kay lahat eh. Ang table nila kay duha ka bubang usa pataas niya, usa kay mga good for the people lagi lang isa. Yung manaaray ka ng tawag ano yung maglog sa kilid bang magpaabot kasi ng tapit. Tingnan mo yan.
Nice. Inay customer, no?
Naging ka rin sa duha ka table.
Nailang local din. Alam din rin.
Yung man ang yung ban na may nagluto yan. Ang cashier katong bae nga mag-work nila niya.
Naasad sila food.
Nasa sila food daghan ang bibili. Daghan kasi sila food. Typical na mga local nga dagmay di kay buot na ba. Take away ila.
Dito na kami guys sa harap ng milk tea. Tulog si Ayla. Sus. Hindi na kami bumaba, si Miss na lang yung pinabili ko. Tapos diretso na tayo uwi kasi meron tayong naghihintay doon na sinigang. Kainin natin yung sinigang natin. Si Dan aalis din kasi yun eh. So pagdating natin ng bahay, iiwan tayo ni Daddy. May iwan tayo sa mga bata. So ito na yung labas namin today. Hindi na kami lalabas mamaya kasi tingnan nyo naman tong weather. Yung boses ko talaga guys. Pawala na yung boses. Oh, meron palang nag-email sa akin at saka nag-message din sa akin na yung may nakakita nung nakakadiri. Cockroach pala yun. May nakita sa video ko na cockroach. I didn't realize, obviously. I didn't realize. But, nakita ko siya nung nakastop na ako. Nakita ko siya dyan. Pinatay ko siya. Nung nakita ko siya, hindi ko alam na cockroach pala siya. Nag-email sa akin si tita. Nag-message sa akin si tita sa Instagram. Sabi niya, hindi may nakitang cockroach sa car mo. Tapos sabi ko, hindi naman yun cockroach. Parang insekto lang yun. Ang liit-liit niya guys. Napatay ko siya. Dito ko siya nakita. Pero sa video nakita parang dito sa seat ko. And I looked it up. And it is indeed a cockroach. It is a German cockroach. Maliit na German cockroach. Ano kasi siya, blandina. So, hindi siya kagaya nung itsura ng cockroach sa atin. Tapos, maliit lang siya. But yan, napatay ko na siya. Na-check ko na din yung car ko. Maraming salamat. May mga nag-email sa akin. And yun din si tita nag-message din sa akin. Check ko na yung car ko. Wala naman na. Tapos, nung na-up na yung vlog, tapos may nag-email na nga sa akin, na natuloy ako, naparaning natuloy ako. Sabi ko, yun ba yung same na napatay ko? Basi mahog na po na.
Ma-accident po.
Accident na po ka.
Accident na po ni.
Thank you. Nasaan card? Yeah.
Ako, nahulog na siya.
Nawala pag yung card.
Nawala pag yung card din natin. Gusto lang. Uy! Ako nagbatas akong packet. Kinahulog.
Basin mapikas? Nabuang sis.
Ano naman mo diha? Wala. Wala siya te.
Sure, uy!
Wait, sa akong basi nahulog to sa ano?
Ano mo?
Ano mo sila gaaway?
Learner.
Kisa may learner.
Kato.
Da.
Consideration said sir, oy.
Nakuan siya siguro, nahulog.
Nahulog, oy. Maliki yun to in town. Basi na sa road. Wag yun?
Nahulog siguro sa packet.
Hala! Okay, hanapin niya muna yung card ko. Itong babaeng ko. Nagoy pag iyo nawala. Sa lingkuranan. Bahay na kami. Tingnan yung kalat. But, look at Didi. Tulog si Didi, guys. Buyag-buyag yung Didi natin, oy. Malaki na talaga siya. Ano siya? Lako na dyan siya. Yeah. Buyag, Didi, oy. Come here. Did you miss me?
Yeah, and what do you have some pink hair?
I got it here. Come here. Come here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready, steady, open. Wow. Does that make you really happy today?
Yeah.
That's good.
I think I have. Mommy, give me that.
Hello. Hello. Sus nagising. Wala. Kaya na. Grabe ko ng hundred.
Ah, sure. Half man.
After na, di ko na half it.
Ito din naman, digit ko mag-rice.
Magkain kami ng leftover sinigang. Tadang! Time to eat! You can have your milk tea here if you want. You sit here.
Mommy.
You sit next to mommy, sige.
How about you? Ayla, okay, I'll grab some rice.
Yeah. And then your milk tea. You want your milk
Yeah, so
tea.
you can have your milk tea.
How are you feeling today?
Dog?
Dood? That's Dood?
Someone give me a spoon.
Of course. Do you want me to put some tamarind soup?
No.
You want some?
Someone make my voice hot.
What?
It is
Someone
hot.
make my voice hot.
It is hot.
Alright. Try it first.
I wanna make it really hot.
Pwede ko ay kung teaspoon, miss.
I wanna
Para
make
pang
it
inday?
really hot.
Please, thank
Mama.
you. You want it really hot? No, you don't want it really hot. How can you eat it?
Your tongue.
I will try it then.
Thank you.
Mommy, happening.
Yes.
Olo, nisuloy na ako ah.
Your milk tea is in the fridge.
Yeah, eat some rice and then I'll grab it.
Eat.
Where's my spoon? Oh, here.
Mommy.
Yummy?
Yeah.
That's good.
Do you want to try the soup? Ayla?
Do you want soup with it?
It's hot, but you can dip your spoon and then have a taste. Veggies.
And veggies. Do you want veggies?
If you want healthy one,
I want that.
you want that. Just a little bit. Try it.
Try.
I will give it a little bit.
Yeah, try a little bit.
I need to do it for you.
Yeah. Have a taste and blow first. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Blow. Ano tintilaw?
Yummy?
Kandi mo dong eh. You like it? Oh, we can share. Pinoy boy, give a boy. You like the tamarind soup?
Mama, watch this.
It's called sinigang.
Eh?
You like sinigang?
I like it. Mommy, here.
You want to try too? It's sour, a bit sour, but it's good.
Good job. Well done, Alo.
Spicy.
Spicy? Sour.
Eat.
We're here na pala guys. Tingnan nyo. The ultimate Pinoy boy. Alo eating sinigang.
No.
Ah.
No.
Cute. Ah.
Eat your rice.
Yeah, eat your rice too.
Why does two of them?
What?
Why do you like the same?
Yeah, same camera.
Why do you get the same camera, Mama?
It's a good one.
Why Tito don't have a sticker on a camera?
Doesn't have a sticker on my camera.
So you put a sticker on.
And why you have a sticker on your camera, Mama?
I do.
I'll talk to you like sticker on your camera.
That's right, yeah. I like sticker on the camera. Oh, yeah.
Are you like sticker on your camera?
I do, but I don't have sticker.
Oh no, that's
You should give me one.
What? I will buy you one.
You buy me one.
You should.
You
should give her Mario sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's only one sticker on my camera. No, what sticker I gave you.
The sticker gave me. Did you win?
And you smell my feet and
Why are we smelling feet?
That's why I want to get you a sticker. No, what is it?
A long time ago?
Smell my feet.
When?
Then we something next to you.
I can't remember.
Smell my feet.
The night time?
Something next to me. When I was trying to sleep with you.
Did you?
Smell my feet. Then something nice to eat.
I can't remember.
Take
Yeah.
a word.
If you give me a sticker, I'll put it in the
Take
bag.
a word. Take a word.
Yeah.
Take a word. Then we something nice to eat.
You want strawberries?
Why are you not
Wanna
eating
eat them?
anymore? You should eat more.
Yeah, please eat, please.
Now.
Nakatingin siya sa inyo. This way. Hindi ka lang makikita dyan. Nakatalikod sila. And say hi. Good job. Alright, you go play, okay? Mommy, gonna get Daddy's dinner ready. Ay, nako. I'm gonna cook Daddy's din. Okay? Yeah, go. Magluluto sana ako ngayon ng nilaga. Nakalimutan kong i-thaw yung pork. So, mag-take away na lang kami. Pero si Dan, lutuan ko na to. Ito yung chops na binili ko sa kanya kahapon. Nag-take away kasi siya kahapon. Hindi siya kumain na sinigang. Tapos ayaw niya din nito. Kahapon. So, ngayon natin lulutuin. You want strawberries? Boy, that's... I know. There. Finish the strawberries in this high chair. Finish that. What ew? That's not ew. It's just got smaller. She didn't eat it all. So finish that and then I'll give you more strawberries. I'll give you your own as well. Yeah. Alright, I'll give you your own.
You touch the geese and you have to talk. Let's touch the geese, Mama. Let's touch the geese, Mama.
Cut the leaves?
Yeah, let's touch the leaves.
Okay. Okay. So just the leaves I will cut?
Yeah, that's the leaves. I don't want to tiny Mom.
Here, I got it here. This is washed.
And this one, Mama. And this one, Mommy. And this one, Mama.
Alright.
Another one?
You want another one?
Yeah. And another one and another one. Another one and one.
You feel better, love?
Yeah.
That's good.
I
That's very good.
I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better now, Mama.
Huh?
I'm feeling better now.
You're feeling better now. That's good. Because you drink your medicine and you eat your food. Ano na naman yung kinakalat mo dyan, de? Nag-take away pala kami, guys, sa Red Rooster. Tagal ko na hindi nakakain nito. As in, sobrang tagal na. So, nag-order kami ng fried box ata to. So, yan. Sweet potato, chips. Ito, separate order na to. Dessert na to. Choco churros. Ang laki ng gravy, oh. Tapos, yan. Ay, nako. Ito na naman siya. You know, see the guys? Daddy. Ready?